Hello everyone. Agri case study. I choose role is field manager. Introduction. A field manager is responsible for managing operations and staff working in a field locations and ensuring that the project is developing in an effective manner, meeting the goals that the organization has established for the project, managing the project staff, and ensuring compliance with the organization policies and or with the safety and ethics. Who is a field manager? A field manager of a project is responsible for management and supervision of all activities happening on the site or in the field in a project, most often in fields like agriculture, development, or while field-based research. They are able to build and coordinate field teams to work closely with communities of the area with a clear objective to implement all the planned activities to carry them out in the right way and at the right time. Field managers are also able to collect data on site and troubleshoot local issues while reporting project progress to the project home team. A field manager ultimately is someone who can assure that everything in the field is working properly in order to achieve all local project objectives and with effectiveness. What is the role and primary responsibility as the your chosen role in addressing the case study? The field manager is the boots on the ground leader who executes strategies and coordinates field activity while facilitating communication between local teams and the central team. The field manager represents the bond between the field operations and the project management team as a department. A core role in the success of the Acrylic case study is that of a field manager. The field manager is responsible to follow up all field operations and acts as a bridge between the strategic planning team and local communities. The field manager is a fundamental operational leader, turning strategic plans into measurable on the ground results. Their skills in team management, stakeholder engagement, and problem solving will directly contribute to the impact and sustainability of the AGRIS initiative. Next, the primary responsibilities. Team coordination components. Number one, make sure the project timelines, quality, and budget targets are met. Number two, manage field, staff, and delegate activities. Number three, coach, train, and inspire to optimize team advancement. Number four, manage field staff and delegate activities. For the data collection and reporting components, number one, overs field site performance by collecting data. Number two, collect findings and provide the revisions on or enhancement to the project manager. Project implementation and monitoring components. Make sure the timelines and action plans for the project are completed in the field timely and appropriately. Field data management components. Number one, make sure field data is collected and recorded accurately. Make sure to inform project leadership of findings for evaluation and discussion or action. Why is field manager role is suitable for analyzing and addressing the issues presented in the Arctic case study? ISU professor research and extension projects for landowners and farmers, referencing the issues outlined in the Agrix case study and the subsequent comparison of the role of an ISU professor. I want to clarify why the field manager role would have also been effective for the analysis and addressing of the issues. As a field manager, my position is focused on managing day to day farm operations and ensuring that everything is running smoothly and to maximum efficiency. These are the types of things I am experiencing on the ground. I can see and it's infuriating that the lack of suitable roads or transportation for market access, labor shortage, and slow productivity and miscommunication can be a disaster in terms of contract farming. In my role, I also liaise with numerous stakeholders, farm workers, employers, landholders, community members, and leaders. And I help bridge that gap between the community to implement solutions. I can be also a voice in carrying out and adapting the strategies that researchers or programmers develop to add value to local existing knowledge and expertise. As someone with a background in operations management, team management, and team problem solving, I am well situated to identify bottlenecks, train local laborers, and support product producers or citizens to adopt new practices or technologies that could lead to improvements. Next, how does the background of your chosen role as a field manager enable effective communication analysis, strategy development, and recommendation of policy interventions for the agri-skis? Mayor of a local government unit LGU in Cagayan Valley. They, because of the field manager's experience in overseeing daily farming operations, they are able to easily communicate with farmers and government officials, including the mayor. But being knowledgeable of a local agriculture allows them to understand the difficulties they can analyze issues like labor disputes, financial stability, and infrastructure issues that undermine the local economy and agricultural advantage. The field manager's experience provided a depth of knowledge about agricultural and local farmer conditions along the rural community issues. As a result, communication with farmers as well as LGU officials is effective. The field manager has first-hand experience with agricultural challenges such as labor disputes, inadequate infrastructure, and low productivity. This experience is valuable in identifying and analyzing root causes of problems referenced in the agrics case. So that's all. Thanks for listening.